Without shadow of a doubt, the bane of any neurophysiologist's life is electrical artifact and noise. One of the most important sources that we have to negate are electrical beds, and often we have to actually unplug these from the sockets in order to reduce that source of interference. Now, what if the EMG machine was capable of avoiding that problem in the first place? Wouldn't that be nice? So let's have a look and see how the TruTrace Traveler performs. As you can see over here, I've set up the room really to try and make this recording fail. I've got the bed over here, that's the cord for it, it's turned on, it's live. In contrast to the real world, you wouldn't normally be having live cables right next to your recording wires and your equipment, but you know, let's stress this all out to the maximum. I've also got here unshielded recording sensors as well for the pads. And what I'm going to be doing is setting the machine up now to record from me to see how it performs when we have a live wire over there. So I'll just set myself up and I'll just show you in a moment just exactly what this machine is capable of doing. Okay, I'm all set up now. I've got recording electrodes on, stimulating electrodes over there. We've got the bed plugged on. Here's the wire. If you have a look over here in the corner, you can see the live view over there, and everything here is unshielded. This, of course, is creating a tremendous source of electrical interference over there. But let's first run this and see what it would be like. Now, in real life, this is not what would be happening. You do not have live cables right next to where your patients are, but you never know. And let's just stress the system out and see how it can perform, even in what might be very difficult circumstances. So here we go. So first thing I'm going to do is just see what the baseline is like. So currently my wires are probably about a foot away over here. My hand's probably about a foot away as well, and let's just see what the baseline looks like. So that's what the baseline is looking like over there, which isn't terrible. Now we're going to start ramping up a little bit, and let's see if we can get my nerve stimulated. There we go. So that's actually a very nice recording for a single trace. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to average that now, and just put that onto repetitive. So that's actually a very nice, good quality recording there, really, considering. Now I'm going to really stress this now and see where we go with it, and let's go right next to it. Now you can see clearly I have moved my hand very close to the source, and let's see what we're going to do with that. So here we go. That's amazing. That is really, really amazing. I don't know of any machine that can make that kind of isolation of signal from background noise. That is super impressive. So there you have it. A very, very impressive display of just how well this amplifier is performing. And that's why when I went into the intensive care environment the other day, and I showed you a couple of those traces, they look so blooming good. This is a different league. So it's actually almost a call to the other manufacturers to start looking at how you build your amplifiers and how they connect to the rest of the system in terms of isolation of signal. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that.